What do you observe in this picture? A man is trying to cut a gold piece into fine pieces or very small pieces, and his thoughts are going on how smaller pieces he can get, smaller, and even smaller. So, as you see, that he is about to get the very small particles, as much as small which cannot be seen. So, what are these smaller particles called? Let's see them. So, what is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of any substance. The theory about the atom is given first by Maharishi Kanad, an Indian philosopher. He stated that any substance is made up of very small particles which are called Paramanu. John Dalton was the first scientist who gave the concept on the basis of scientific explanations, and he named them as atoms. Let's go through the Dalton's atomic theory postulates. The first point, all the matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. Second says atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Third, atoms cannot be divided further. Fourth, atoms of an element are identical in all aspects. Fifth, atoms of different elements are different from each other, again from in all aspects. And sixth point says atoms of similar or different elements combine together to form molecules like oxygen gas molecule and carbon dioxide gas molecule. This picture depicts all the postulates of Dalton's theory. Like, the atom is like a spherical ball, it is indivisible, it cannot be created or be destroyed. The elements, all atoms are identical. Different elements have different particles, and atoms of different elements combine together to form compounds. These are the postulates which were proposed by John Dalton. After this, we will see why his theory got failed. By the structure proposed by Dalton's theory, we see that he said on the left side you see the structure of atom in the white sphere, which is an atom, whereas on the right side you see a billiard ball. Both look very similar to each other. That is why his theory is also called billiards ball theory. So it was a solid dense sphere with no charge, but it got failed. Let's see what were the reasons. Let's see the drawbacks of Dalton's theory. The first point says that atom also can be divided into further smaller particles known as electrons, protons and neutrons. The second point says that atoms of same elements also can have different masses, means they can be different from each other. And the third point says that atoms of different elements maybe have some equal masses, that means maybe they have some similarities. So these were the problems in his theory. Now let's study about the subatomic particles. Subatomic particles are the further smaller particles than the atom. The discovery of these particles were the reason of failure of Dalton's atomic theory. These particles are electrons, protons, and neutrons. Their symbols are respectively small e for electron, small p for proton, and small n for neutrons. Further, the electrons have negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles, whereas neutrons are neutral, they have no charge on them. The discoverers are electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson, protons were discovered by E. Goldstein, whereas neutrons were discovered by J. Chadwick. The discovery of these particles were the reason why Dalton's theory got failed. We will study in detail that how these particles were discovered and the new theory.